Hi, this is Kim Klink with a lesson on AdWords conversion tracking, specifically form tracking. Conversion tracking will allow you to capture data on forms that are submitted off of your website via AdWords ads. So someone comes to your site via an AdWords ad, they fill out your lead form or make a purchase on your website, and that will be tracked and reported back in the AdWords interface as far as the campaign, ad group, ad copy, and keyword that generated that conversion. Conversion tracking works through a piece of code or an HTML code snippet that is placed on the confirmation page that appears after the form is submitted. And these pages are generally like a thank you page or a confirmation page thanking someone for an order that they may have placed. The code goes between the body tags, is recognized by the AdWords system, and again, the conversion is reported in the AdWords user interface. So it's really pretty simple. If you make your own website changes, you can easily just cut and paste the code, or you can have it emailed directly from the interface to your website designer with instructions on how to do it. So there's no reason not to be tracking your web leads and purchases and whatnot on your website. So to get your conversion tracking code, you're going to visit the Tools and Analysis section of the AdWords user interface, and you're going to select Conversions from the drop-down menu. And again, we're going to be tracking web leads. You can also track mobile calls, but we're going to work with web leads right now. You're going to create a new conversion and give it a name. Give it one that's descriptive, especially if you are tracking multiple conversions. We're going to select web page and save and continue. You're going to categorize the conversion. It could be, you can leave it other and, just leave it labeled as that, or you can give it a purchase, sales, sign up, lead, or a view of a key page. So we're going to go ahead and select lead. You can assign a conversion value. So if you had a sale that was, always $199, go ahead and give it a conversion value of $199. You can get more specific and targeted as far as your conversion tracking goes by pulling in variables from shopping carts that might be a total order purchase value and things like that. But again, for this purpose, we'll keep it clean and simple. I'm not going to assign my lead a conversion value because it doesn't have one. And you can go ahead and set your tracking indicator information here. I like to just go with a one-line tracking indicator and use a color that blends in seamlessly with the background of my confirmation page. There are some advanced options for view-through conversions. These would be where somebody came to your site via an AdWords ad, poked around for a while, didn't do a conversion, came back within a certain amount of days, and then completed a conversion. This will show up as a view-through conversion. It's letting you know maybe a little bit of behavior about your visitors, that they don't purchase on the first visit. And this can be set to a different, day range here as far as the conversion, and how long out it will capture it. Save and continue. And here's the choice where you can send the code to someone else, or you can, if you make changes to your website yourself, you can go ahead and grab this code snippet. And here's what the code looks like. This would be copied and pasted into the body tags, just in between the body tags somewhere on that confirmation page. Click Done once you're done, and you'll see the code originally will show up as unverified. What I suggest that advertisers do is after they've inserted the code on their confirmation page and confirmed that it's there and it's inserted in the right area, is to go ahead and do a test conversion by just picking one of your really inexpensive keywords, doing a search on it, clicking your AdWords ad, and completing the form that you're tracking to see it show up. It may take up to 48 hours in some cases for the first conversion to show verified. Then after that, they should show, very routinely. Generally every 3 hours, Google updates the data in this interface, so it'll show, almost immediately after that point. So that's conversion tracking in a nutshell. Do it. You can see what works, what doesn't. You can better track your return on investment with AdWords, and it's very easy to use, so there's no reason not to do it. Take care. Bye-bye.